Hey guys, just doing a really quick video on something that I do most days for a little bit of a dessert hack. What I do, it's really in place of like an ice cream or something sweet. I just put some Greek yogurt into a bowl, and then I'll get some organic frozen blueberries, which is a really cost-effective way of staying organic, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with frozen fruits and vegetables in my mind. And it's a great way to just kind of sweeten it up and get some vitamin C and healthy antioxidants into your dessert. And then what I use is a chocolate collagen powder, and this is from a company called ATP Collagen. And they have a product called No Way, and it's a really healthy alternative to a protein powder. It's sweetened naturally and it's quite delicious. This is the chocolate version of it. I just take 1 scoop and I add it to the mixture. Try not to. And then I just mix it all up, and boom, I've got myself a really delicious, slightly weird looking but delicious tasting dessert. So if you guys ever feel like you need something sweet in your mouth, this is a great way to satisfy that sweet tooth, but also get a protein hit and also get some antioxidants and vitamin C in your diet. Hope this helped.